Did British rule help India develop, or did it harm the country? Railways, modern education, and new laws were introduced. At the same time, Indian industries declined, farmers suffered, and wealth flowed out of India. Let's explore the impact of British rule in India. The British ruled India for nearly 2 centuries. Their rule brought many changes in administration, education, economy, transportation, and society. The British introduced a centralized administrative system. They established courts, police departments, and a civil service to govern the country more efficiently. The British introduced modern education in India. English became an important language of learning. Schools, colleges, and universities were established. In 1853, the first railway line was introduced in India. Railways improved transportation and connected different regions of the country. The British developed telegraph and postal services. Communication became faster and more organized than before. Although new systems were introduced, the British mainly worked for their own benefit. India became a supplier of raw materials and a market for British goods. Traditional Indian industries, especially handloom weaving, suffered greatly because of cheap machine-made goods imported from Britain. Heavy land taxes placed a burden on farmers. Many struggled to repay debts and faced severe hardships. Several social reforms took place during British rule. Practices such as sati were abolished, and efforts were made to improve women's education. Modern education and improved communication helped Indians understand their rights. Nationalism began to grow, leading to the freedom movement. British rule brought railways, education, communication, and administrative reforms. However, it also caused economic exploitation, decline of industries, and hardships for farmers. The impact of British rule was mixed. While some modern institutions were introduced, the primary aim of British policies was to strengthen their control and benefit Britain. These experiences later inspired Indians to fight for independence.